today's video, we're going to see how to give specific access. For example, S3 bucket. You can give specific access to IAM users, and we are going to do this with AWS CLI. So let's head on to S3. Here you should get something like this. You need to click on create bucket, then give your bucket a name. The name should be something unique so it doesn't clash and you don't get an error. So let's create it. Okay, so we need a unique name for this bucket. What you can do is add some random initial or number in it. So I'll just add 1 here, and let's click on create bucket. And your bucket is created now. Let's head on to IAM. Here you need to navigate to users. You need to create a user, give it some name called dev user, and don't provide it access. Click on next. Click on next. Here you can check the summary and then create user. So user has been created. Now we need to create a user group. So click on create group. You can give it name like developer. Yeah, and then you can add your dev user to this developer group, and then you can attach a policy. Here I can attach S3 read only access, so the bucket only can be read and no objects can be added in it. Then create the group. Here we have the group name. Head on to users, click on user. Now you can see that developer group is here. Go to security credentials, then you can create an access key. Go to CLI and I understand, and then next. Create access key. Here your access key and secret access key has been created. Download this file because this file cannot be used later, cannot be viewed later. So it looks something like this. Now head on to your AWS CLI. You can click on this. It's the cloud shell for AWS. It will take some time to load. Clear the terminal. Next you can type the command AWS configure. Enter. Then you need to provide your access key. Just copy paste it from here. Provide your secret access key. Copy paste it again. Choose your region and the format is set to JSON. Next you need to type the command AWS S3ls. So your bucket will show here. This is the demo bucket that we created. Now what you need to do is copy this bucket name and type AWS S3 CP, the file name. I've created this file beforehand, and you can directly put your bucket link by typing S3 and click enter. So here you'll get an error. That means you only have S3 read only access and you're trying to put an object in it. So your program has successfully run now.